First thing, 120 grams of sugar. Then 50 grams of butter. And we'll give that a mix. Make sure your butter's at room temperature as well. Now we want 3 eggs. And then half a cup of oil. Then we add 200 grams grated carrot. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll give that a good mix. Now we'll sort out the dry ingredients. So first off, 200 grams plain flour. And then a pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. Then a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then we want 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. We'll just give that a quick mix. And then we'll gradually add it together. And then we just need to add it to these bun cases. And we'll just keep adding it until they've all got an equal amount. Then these need to go into your preheated oven at 180. And then just give them a check after about 20 minutes. And 25 minutes later, lovely looking little carrot muffins. Freezer friendly, very nutritious as well. Give them a try, let me know what you think. And you can see inside that they're really soft and fluffy. Beautiful. And they taste amazing. If you want to see other recipes that we're going to be doing, hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll be really pleased to see your next upload. You take care.